In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the maximum upload file size using the WP Engine dashboard. This is a handy skill, especially if you're running into limitations when trying to upload larger files to your WordPress site. So let's get started. First, the essential part of this process involves accessing your WP Engine account. So go ahead and log in to your WP Engine dashboard. This is your online hub where you manage all things related to your WP Engine hosting environment. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific site where you need to adjust the upload size. You do this by clicking on the Go to my www.pengine.com link from your dashboard. This takes you to a more detailed view where specific actions can be taken. Now that you're delving into the deeper settings, you'll encounter the POP.ini settings as part of the support options you can engage with. You'll want to open these settings as they're where the adjustments that affect maximum upload sizes are made. It's important to note here that WP Engine has some restrictions, and you can't directly edit PHP files within their environment. Instead, you'll have to work through their support team to make the necessary changes. This brings us to the critical next step, which is getting in touch with WP Engine support. From your dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Support. And here, you'll choose Chat with WP Engine Support. Initiating a chat with the support team is straightforward. Tell them about your need to increase the maximum upload file size, and they'll guide you through the specific process they require. Since this involves adjustments that affect your environment configuration, support will review and implement the changes for you. After your changes are confirmed by the support team, they'll apply these updates to your environment. It may take a short while for the adjustments to come into effect, so be patient as the team works on your request. Once they inform you the update is done, it's time to test if everything is working as it should. To verify, log into your WordPress dashboard, head to the Media section, and click on Add New. Here you'll be able to check the maximum upload file size setting. If the update has been applied correctly, you should see an increased limit than what you had before. This means you're all set to upload larger files. And there you have it. By following these steps involving some quick communication with WP Engine support, you've successfully increased the maximum upload file size for your WordPress site hosted on WP Engine. This process ensures that your site remains efficient and capable of handling larger files, enhancing your WordPress experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on managing your WordPress site with ease.